अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, दिस इज़ अनमोल नासिर कुरैशी। वेलकम टू इंग्लिश विद अनमोल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप तमाम लोग खैरियत से होंगे। इन टुडेज लेसन वी विल बी स्टडिंग द यूजेज ऑफ इज, एम एंड आर। इज, एम एंड आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स बट नॉट एक्शन वर्ड्स। अब हमें सबसे पहले ये समझना होगा कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स और एक्शन वर्ब्स के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है। Helping verbs are the verbs that help the main verb in a sentence by extending its meaning. Helping verbs वो verbs हैं जो कि main verb के साथ लगते हैं और वो help करते हैं किसी भी sentence की meaning को extend करने में. Whereas action verbs describe what someone or something is doing. Action verb actual action के बारे में बता रहा होता है कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. These are the verbs of present tense. प्रेजेंट टेंस कहा जाता है फेले हाल को. These are used for some indication in the present. Is, am और are ऐसे verbs हैं जो कि indicate करते हैं present time को. Now let's understand how is, am, are used. Is used with he, she, it and all singular noun names, that is singular subject. Are is used with we, you, they and all plural noun names, that is plural subject. Whereas am is used only with I. Now let's look at the examples of singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns may be the name, profession, relation or the name of anything. For example, Anmol, Nayab, Abdullah, doctor, singer, mother, car, pen, etc. Now look at the examples of plural noun names. Students, parents, teachers, sisters, brothers, cars, tables, etc. Is, am, are used in the present tense in 4 different situations. Is, am और are को present tense में यूज किया जाता है जिसकी 4 different situations हैं. Number 1, to describe a person or a thing in the present. Number 2, to name or rename a person or a thing in the present. Number 3, to say what someone is doing right now. Number 4, to talk about what is done in the present. Now let's discuss these situations one by one. Number 1, to describe a person or thing in the present. If you want to describe a person or a thing in the present, use is, am, are according to the subject and describes how the subject is. Number 1 situation ये है जब हमें किसी भी person या फिर किसी चीज़ को describe करना होता है तो हम is, am या फिर are को यूज करते हैं. There's the structure subject plus is, am or are plus adjective. Here are some examples. He is talented boy. I am very hardworking. We are students. Now let's understand situation number 2. To name or rename a person or a thing in the present. The second use of is, am, are is to rename a noun or a pronoun in the present. Here we use a noun or noun phrase after is, am, are and give a name to the subject. Second situation में हम लोग is, am या फिर are किसी noun या फिर pronoun को rename करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Here we have the structure subject plus is, am or are plus noun. Now we have some examples. He is an artist. I am a teacher. You are my students. Now we have situation number 3. To say what someone is doing right now. The third use of is, am, are is to use them in the present continuous tense. To talk about an action that is happening in the present. थर्ड सिचुएशन में इज, एम और आर को प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में यूज किया जाता है ताकि ये बताया जा सके कि प्रेजेंट टाइम में क्या हो रहा है। इन द फर्स्ट टू यूसेजेस, these verb work as a linking verb, that is main verb, and here they work as an auxiliary verb, that is helping verb. पहले दो सिचुएशंस में हम इन वर्ब्स को एज ए लिंकिंग वर्ब्स यूज कर रहे थे, लेकिन इस थर्ड कंडीशन में हम लोग इन वर्ब्स को एज एन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स यूज कर रहे हैं जिनको कहा जाता है हेल्पिंग वर्ब। हियर्स द स्ट्रक्चर: सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज, एम और आर प्लस फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। नाउ वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स। ही इज लर्निंग इंग्लिश। I am talking to you. You are watching this video. Now we have the very last situation, situation number 4. To talk about what is done in the present. The last use of is, am, are is to talk about what is done in the present. सिचुएशन नंबर 4 में हम लोग is, am और are यूज करते हैं ताकि हम ये बता सकें कि प्रेजेंट में क्या हो चुका है। Here the sentences are in the present indefinite tense passive voice. Here's the structure: subject plus is, am or are plus third form of the verb plus by the doer. Here are the examples. He is informed on time by the company. I am appreciated for my hard work. The students are trained really well. So that's all for the today's lesson. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for every new video. Thank you.